Today we start with a topic that is logic gate, that is included in computer application syllabus. So as we know, this already been done in class 11. So again I am doing this because it's been included in class 12 chapter 1. So let us start. As you know that logic gate are of two types, that is basic logic gate, one is universal logic gate. Basic logic gate, how many types are there? 5 types are there: and, or, not, XOR, XNOR, and, or, not, XOR and XNOR. Whereas universal logic gate is NAND and NOR. Okay, today I will discuss all the logic gates only of basic. Okay, only I will discuss today the basic logic gate for you. Okay, so let us start. Now we are doing AND gate of 2 input. 2 input means there will be 2 input circuit, or you can say the diagram of the logic gate will be of 2 input. Before proceeding to this 2 input gate, we will do the truth table of AND gate. So what is the truth table of AND gate of 2 input gate? That is, suppose if you take two value, that is two variable x and y, the formula of AND gate will be x into y, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So now you multiply it, 0 into 0 0 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0 1 into 1 1. Or else you can also learn like that, if any of the input is 0, the output is 0. So what is the diagram of this AND gate? 2 input. This is the actual diagram. Okay, now we will go to OR gate. Two input, because 2 input is mainly in your syllabus. Okay, now again same truth table, but symbol will be different. X plus y, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Just do addition, 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 1 1. Always remember, if you learn like this also you can, that is what I have said over here in AND gate. If any of the input is 0, the output is 0, but over here if any of the input is 1, then the output is 1. Okay, so you see over here 1, so 1. If you see over here 1 1, over here 1, any 1, that is 1. Okay, now the logic gate of 2 input OR gate. Please have a neat and clean diagram when you practice it. Okay, x into y, that is x plus y. Next we'll go to NOT gate. So now in NOT gate what we will find? Only one input. Okay, in NOT gate we will do only one input gate. There is no 2 input, because NOT gate accept only one input. This is the logic gate of NOT gate. X bar, if x goes, then it will give the complement version of the x. X bar 0 1 1 0. Okay, so 2 gates have been left now, that is on basic logic gate. Again I go over here, I will do today another gate, that is XOR. This is also 2 input. What will be the truth table? Same truth table like this, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. The formula, always remember, XOR y, and the formula is x bar y plus x y bar. This is the actual formula of our XOR gate. This is included in your chapter 1 of logic gate of any book of class 12. So please go through it seriously, because the diagrams are much more matter. 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1. Always remember that if same input is there, output is 0. If there is a change in the input, the output is 1. Okay, now what will be the diagram of this? Just like OR gate, but there will be another extra, XY XOR y. Practice it. Okay, next XNOR gate. 2 input, again 2 input, x y 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 x. This will be the sign and formula xy plus x bar y. What is the difference? It is AND operator and it is OR operator. Okay, Now see, same way like this, if same input is there, it is 1. If there is a change in the input, it is 0. Okay. Now what will be the logic gate? Same like this, but there will be one symbol of NOT gate and one this extra symbol XY X NOT Y. So this is our today's class. Next topic of logic gate I will start universal logic gate. But as you know that you are going through networking chapter, so every day it is theory going on. So I have changes some pattern of your study. Practice this in your home. Also practice De Morgan's theorem of only class 11 from 11 book. That will be helpful for you. Okay.